Customer to kanou. Express high recognition. New Japanese customers visit the kanou factory for the first time. We first visited our packaging workshop. Vice President Wen and Manager Jan. The assembly process details are introduced in detail. Customers are very interested in assembly. Asked about each procedure and installation process, our manager Jan is explaining in detail. The customer was highly appreciative of our details. Expresses high recognition. Clients take every patent very seriously. Vice President Wen and Manager Jan together explain kanou's corporate culture to customers and cultural origins. Vice President Wen is introducing to customers. We have been constantly improving product solutions and results. Then come to our product packaging area. Clients pick up our controlled drawings and quality assurance. Ask questions about don't understand. Vice President Wen is answering customers' questions in detail. The client listened attentively. Finally came to our production workshop. Vice President Wen is introducing various machines to customers and machine production details. Return to the conference room at the end of the tour. Customer to kanou. Express high recognition therewith, and we began to negotiate the details of this partnership. Take a group photo together at the end.